This is a very important message for all the moms out there. I used to think that I loved my kids. I'm at home with two of them right now because I'm on maternity leave, and it's great, but trying to institute all this gentle parenting stuff and trying to make them eat healthy food and dealing with 3 year olds can just kind of run you down. And what I realized is that even though I'm a very happy, upbeat person and love my family, is that I was missing out. That became apparent when I took a Sepia 200. This is a homeopathic remedy, and it has made loving my children effortless. Which is so funny because this remedy has always been like a premier women's remedy. So if you have any hormone issues or whatever, you would, probably start out with Sepia 200. I always have really regular periods. I'm very upbeat. Like, I was like, oh, I don't think Sepia is going to do anything for me. Come to find out that I am very loving, and something again was just kind of wearing me down. And this remedy is also indicated for moms who've just had it with their families. So not that I just had it with my family, but there was a gap there. There was, this is how good it could be, and this is where I was, So really, it was phenomenal. I think I took it one time, and I've just noticed recently, I was like, gosh, I just really love my family, and excited to see my kids every morning, excited to see my husband every morning. Sometimes those are things that I have to be like, I got to wake up and greet my husband and make sure he feels loved. Now it's just totally effortless. So definitely for people with hormone problems, I would definitely go out and just get one and try it. This is indicated in a lot of different kind of protocols for issues, but even if you're just like me and you thought you loved your family, but you were finding that you had to kind of put a little effort into it. For $10, maybe try it out. You can pick this one up at Sprouts. It's also linked in my bio. Follow for more homeopathy tips.